We got a BMW X7. We end up installing the original. It's a thinkware, but they make it for BMW. It has the camera has the logo in the front and everything for BMW. This is the app that comes with it. You can live view it, and then if you want to select the rear, switching over the rear, it will give you the rear. You see the rear right there, switching over the rear. So the app is pretty nice. It comes with everything you need. It records while you're driving. You know, like a regular dash cam. It comes with the screen. You can do it from the screen, or you can do it from the app. The Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to your app on your phone. I'm going to show you the camera in the front, what it looks like. Try to get the sun away. See how it's got the black, the BMW logo. So it's pretty nice. It's the thinkware. They make it for BMW. I imagine that they probably make it for Mercedes and other cars. And then you got the rear camera, which is the same thing back there. It's got the little logo in the back. We did this installation for this guy. Whoever has these BMWs and want to get the dash cam, this is a nice one. It's the original one from BMW. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We do have free mobile service, and we come out to you and do this installation for you on this BMW. Everything, you don't see any of the wires. Everything is factory. That's the way it's got to be done. Okay, even the back is all factory. We run the wire through the rubber boot in the back. That way you don't see a wire when you open the hatch or anything like that. Numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And this is Auto Alarm Specialist. And we thank you for watching this video.